Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations with brackets. In this video, we will continue to solve various types of equations. The equations in this video involve removing the brackets first before solving them. Solve each of the following equations by removing the brackets in the first instance. Number 1. 2 outside of m plus 7 equals 32. So we expand here. We've seen in previous videos how to do that. 2m plus 14 equals 32. Because that's a plus sign, we subtract 14 from both sides. So we've done that here. The 14's cancel and that leaves us with 2m. 32 minus 14 is 18, so 2m equals 18. Because that's multiplication, divide both sides by 2. That gives us m, and that gives us 9. So m equals 9 is the answer, and that solves that equation. Number 2, 3 outside of w minus 8 equals 54. 3w minus 24 equals 54, because 3 times w is 3w. 3 8s are 24, and that's a minus sign. Because that's a minus sign, we add 24 to both sides. We've done that here. The 24's cancel to give us 3w, and we add those two together to get 78. And because that's multiplication, we divide both sides by 3. The 3's cancel to give us w, and that answer is 26. So w equals 26. We'll solve that equation. 7 outside of k plus 5 plus 3 outside of k minus 4 equals 83. 7k plus 35 plus 3k minus 12 equals 83. So you multiply the 7 by each of those terms, you multiply the 3 by each of those terms, that gives us that. Now we collect the like terms, so 7k plus 3k is 10k, and 35 minus 12 is 23. Because that's a plus, we subtract 23 from both sides. And we've done that there. That gives us 10k, and that gives us 60. Because that's multiplication, divide both sides by 10. That cancels down to k. 60 over 10 gives us 6. So k equals 6 is the answer to that equation. And here we have an interesting one. So we multiply through here, and we get 45m minus 27 minus 12m plus 30, because minus 6 by minus 5 is plus 30. Collect the like terms. 45m minus 12m is 33m. Minus 27 plus 30 is plus 3. Because that's a plus sign, we subtract 3 from both sides. We've done that here. The 3's cancel to give us 33m, and that gives us 66. Because that's multiplication, we divide both sides by 33. Okay, so what I've done here, you don't have to put 33m over 33. You can see straight away that when you divide by 33, that 33 cancels. So that gives us m equals 66 over 33, and that gives us m equals 2. So as you become more efficient, you can miss some of the working out because you know exactly what it involves, and it just makes our working a little quicker, a little bit more efficient. So this video has given us some equations to solve where there are brackets involved, and all you do, you remove the brackets, and then if there are like terms to collect, you collect those. Then you go through the normal procedure and solve each equation.